Hey everyone, welcome back once again to daily job saving series of VIH. Basically, what does we do? We share a couple of job links for the fresher experience so that you can get a job in cybersecurity, right? And let me share with you, right, the openings that we have. This is the first opening that we have in my SOC labs, right? They're hiring for VAPTS analyst. 0 2 years of experience is required, right? And this is what you can see. Career said my SOC labs.com is the mail on which you can send you this, right? And like this is freshers friendly job, so you can apply for here like if you're fresher or something. Next is Sadi.com. Yes, if you're not still married but wants to work as a married person, then you can work in Sadi.com, right? As a cybersecurity intern, they are hiring in Toledo, Mumbai, 6 months of work from office, and this is cybersecurity internship role. You need to do like bug bounty submission, manage a response to bug bounty submission, perform pen testing and web application APIs, and like that's something good, right? Work from office, Najeez thought we edited people's interactive.in is the mail on which you can drop a resume. Next opening is as a VAPT analyst, right? And VAPT analyst, Gurgaon, 2 to 5 years of experience required full time. And this is what you can see: web API, network pen testing, all those things is required over there. And this is the other things which is you need to mention, right? Make sure to add this thing. And this is what you will see: the mail ID on which you need to drop it, right? Next is Hack It is the company which is hiring for the developer. Oh, that's a developer. Like, anyways, if a developer wants to apply, they can. Cybersecurity engineer is being hired as an endpoint for L0, L1, L2. L0 is first time what I heard. Cybersecurity engineer, right? 2 to 7 years of experience is required. So if you are licensed at these experience, you can join. Skill is Sentinel One, Trend Micro, Trellix, and all those things is there. This is what you can see. By the way, Trellix is a company which was recently got hacked. You can see on the same YouTube channel. You can see cybersecurity engineer, endpoint security. This is what you need to mention in the subject line. Next is cloud network engineer is position which is being hired, Palo Alto, Azure, GCP. Location is immediate, and this is what you can see. What you'll work on, you can see you are going to work on all those things. Key requirement is you can see here, and this is good to have. And this is mail ID, two mail ID I have said, so you can send a resume on both. Next is VAPT analyst, cybersecurity engineer in Andheri West, Andheri, Mumbai. Notice period, immediate joining, 7 days, 1 to 2 years of experience required. The other mandatory skills you can see. The other responsibilities. The other preferred certificate, and the other details you can see here, right? Next information is Chief Information Security Officer, Bangalore. 7+ years of experience is required, and this is the Sweta.rawat at neuraindia.com, right? And this is senior position, right? That's what we have for today. Thank you very much for watching this video. Cyber Coffee YouTube channel that we have. If you want to learn about web application pen testing, if you want to learn about SOC, you can check out both there. So thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day. Jai.